Hello everybody. This is my discussion number 4, and I have chosen the exercise 12.2 writing strategy. So in this video, I'll walk you through my step-by-step approach in completing the exercise. I'll explain how to plan, write, and refine a paper effectively. So the first one, think to yourself, you see animated checklists, notes that you've written. So my first step is outlining. I spend about 15, maybe 20 minutes developing a clear structure for my paper. I list out main sections. For example, for this paper, you could have an introduction. You could have a section for team strengths, a section for team challenges, some recommendations that you might have, and a conclusion. Then you'll want to add 2 to 3 key points under each section. So this gives you a clear roadmap to follow, so you know exactly what you'll be writing about when you start each of your sections. Step 2, set a timer and focus. So I would say spend about maybe 25 minutes on focused writing. So followed by a 5-minute break. This helps you to stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. And by using focused writing sessions, it helps you to avoid distractions and make real progress in a relatively short amount of time. My step 3 is going to be write the rough draft quickly. So think fast typing, you've got some messy notes that you're trying to follow, and you're hoping that they're going to turn into nice paragraphs. So when you write quickly, don't worry about perfection. The goal is to simply get your ideas from your mind to the paper down. And especially since you already have an outline, it's easier to fill in each section without overthinking it too much. Step 4 is going to be revise and edit. And do this often, as many times as you need to. So once the rough draft is complete, you want to move on to editing. This is where you'll check your grammar. You're going to improve your sentence clarity. Make sure that your ideas flow logically from one section into the next section. And then also pay attention between your transitions between paragraphs so that the entire paper reads smoothly. Step 5, I say, is finalizing and formatting. I don't know if it would actually need to be done in this particular paper that would be writing. If you're writing about coworkers, I'm not sure, but like in college, for example, it would be. So you'll just want to make sure that your paper meets the length requirements that it's supposed to. You'll want to include any references and then follow the correct formatting before you submit it. So this could be margins, this could be font size, this could be a running header, it could be various things along those lines. So you just want to make sure that you're meeting the formatting correctly. So that's it. That is my following 5 steps to writing in efficiently and producing a clear, well-organized paper.